How to fix high ping and network error or network slowness in your Roblox application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you some basic troubleshooting methods and guides on what you can do if you are facing any network outage in your Roblox application. So the first thing is to obviously check for your Wi-Fi itself. Check whether you are receiving enough speed over your internet connection or if the problem is only occurring on Roblox. So the chances of that are highly unlikely, and mostly it will be your own network which is causing these issues. Apart from that, you can also open the task manager by pressing the control shift and escape or simply searching for task manager, and from here you can disable those processes which might be consuming higher network. So if you will open this up, you can see the network right here. So if you see any particular high usage in any of the network for any of the process, you can try closing them and hopefully you will receive more bandwidth. Apart from that, you can also check your Wi-Fi settings and also go to the device manager as well. And within the device manager, you can check the firmware of your network adapter as well. So go to your network adapter, right click onto this, and from here you can click onto the properties and then click on advanced and make sure that if it's a dual band Wi-Fi that you're having, you choose correct this particular value to prefer 5 gigahertz band. And apart from that, you also have this transmit level. Make sure that it is set to highest, and hopefully these settings will make your Roblox network be a lot more smoother. Also try resetting your router and also restarting your Windows as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.